Hey guys, in today's video we're going to learn how to download free video footage, music, audio, etc. So let's get started. Alright, so there is a website called Mixkit where you can find free video footages, music, audio, sound effects and video templates. So here you can see the options which through you can download these things. So first of all, I will show you how to download the video footages. So you go to StopVideo and you can search for any kind of video, or then you can click on the video and click on download the free video. So here I will show you how to download these videos, and then I will show you how to edit this. So you can go to music and you can also download some music from here. So I've already downloaded some music, so I will go to Premiere Pro and I will import the files which I have downloaded. These are the three things that I have downloaded: 2 video footages and 1 music. So I will put 1 video footage over here. You can see this is one of the videos, and I will put the second video footage too, just like this. I will make it a little bit shorter, and I will put the other footage just beside it, and I will make that a bit shorter too. Now I will put the music under them. So this is the music file, so I will just put it here. Now I want to have some transition in between these 2 footages. So if you want to do that, you can again go to this website, go to templates, and then select your video editing software. For example, here I am using Premiere Pro, so I'll select Premiere Pro. Now in templates, search for transitions, and here you can see under Premiere Pro transitions there are some templates like the static transition, in and out zoom transition, and zoom transition. So I will download this zoom transition. This looks kind of good. So on clicking it, download free video template. So over here you can see that this file is being downloaded, so we will wait for some time. After it's downloaded, I will create one new bin over here and I will name it transition. Now I will go to my downloads folder, and here you can see this is the unzipped file. So I will just so you can see here there is a project file. So I will just drag and drop it into the transition folder, and here just select these things, import entire project and these 2 things, and then click on OK. So it will take some time to import, and after it is done, open the bin, and then here you can see one transition written sequence. Double click on it. So this is the sequence where you can see this is the transition. There is a transition. So if you want to use this in your track, just select it, go to your project, and then just drop it. Make sure that the cuts are in one place, that is the transition is on the center, just like this. So now like this you can add transition over here. So over here you can see in this video, this is how the transition goes, just like this. So like this you can use video from this website, and you can also use transitions. There are many other such templates in this website which you can use. From here, going to templates, you can find many other things which you can use in your video editing software. There are many softwares mentioned. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then like this video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.